Hi, welcome back to 20 Crafts by Maria. Today I decided to do a bit of a fun project. So I got these lip moulds. Oh, God, it must have been about a year ago. I completely forgot I had them, and I was just sorting out my moulds and I found them and I thought, do you know what, I fancy like doing a bit of a fun project today. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to colour them in. I'm going to do them in the chrome powders from Resin, most of it anyway. The white I'll probably use the Estoyo colour. For the teeth, they're not going to be like standard lips, they're going to be multicoloured and different. So I just wanted to have a bit of fun today. Been a tough week and I just wanted to, like I said, have a bit of fun. So I'm going to get colouring in and I'll put you on fast speed now.
Swirling colors, visions blur, pouring resin, time it disappears. Maria's therapy. YouTube channel, come and see. Serenity Crafts, that's me. Serenity lost in the flow. Serenity gotta let it go. Crafting is my meditation, yeah. No more hesitation. A new creation, a new day. Serenity lost in the flow. Serenity gotta let it go. Come and learn with me, yeah. Come and learn with me, yeah. Come and learn. You see, Serenity Crafts, that's the key.
Okay, well, as you saw, I coloured them all in as I want them. And I have made up 220 mils of resin, and I used the T-Expert pigment paste in jet black. It's probably going to be a mistake because I want the teeth as white as possible, but I want the colours to pop more. And I can always colour the teeth in after they're done anyway. So my idea was to do them black to make the chrome powders pop. And I've got them on my curing machine tray because I want them done pretty sharpish. So I'm just going to fill these moulds up. Well, they're not taking as much as I thought they would. I did like 40 mils each plus a little bit extra for good luck, as you do. Oh, I need to fill my lighter up. Forgot about that. It doesn't matter what the backs look like because I have a plan for these that you won't see the back anyway. There. I will get these into my Cura machine and I'm going to put this into something else. I need black for another project anyway, so that won't be wasted. And I will bring you back when they are ready to demold. Can't wait for this one. I've been wanting to do these for ages but never got around to it, and I completely forgot, to be fair, that I got them in the end. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, it's been like 3 hours they were in my Cura machine and they are all cured up now. And I was talking to Angel when we were eating our tea and I said to her, I just had a thought. I've put bright white Estoyo colours in there and I've poured the black in there. The teeth are going to be silver, I'm sure of it. But she said it might be cool anyway. So we'll see. I don't know if they're silver. I don't know if they're white. I don't know if they're black. I don't have a clue, but we will find out. I've got a funny feeling they will be silver. Ooh. I think they are silver. That's not as bright as I thought it was going to be. I don't know what colour that was. But yeah, okay. So the teeth are silver. It actually goes that way. Let's see this one. I said they're not going to be standard colours, didn't I? I said they're going to be really odd. Oh, the tongue went silver as well. Now, I actually coloured the tongue in with an Estoyo colour in just pink. It's just a standard pink. So, I actually don't mind them. As long as they all match. And then this one is the Devil Lips. Like it. It's my favourite one so far. And the gap is black because obviously I poured the black. This one was the one that I actually did the black background for because it had the gap and it needed to be black. But yeah, I love that. Bit of fun. And sorry, I just had to press it against my stomach. Ooh. I think this one was the bluey green colour, or blue, I can't remember now, I think so. So that's that one. And then this one, oh, I think was purple or something. Oh, they got fangs. I didn't see that when I was colouring them in. Oh, I like them. They're cute. Now, I need to decide whether I am going to colour the teeth in white. Now, it's going to be a little bit tricky because the only white I have got is Delightful Temu ones. Definitely think they need to be white. So, I'm not even going to wait until the morning to ask Angel. I want them white. The whole point of them was white. So I will do this and I will bring you back when I have done all of the turkey teeth. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, well, I've done the turkey teeth and I've also coloured the tongue in a little bit darker because that was silver. So I've done that pink. Yeah, pink. So I just had to look at the pens I used. Right, and I have got these little frames here and I have covered the back in this black velvet and it's sticky, self-adhesive black velvet. And I was thinking about putting these into the frame. I'm actually not going to have the glass in it either. Yeah, don't need that bit in there. But I do need, yeah, I think they look better without the glass. They're not going to be so tight because they were like right up to the glass. I didn't like that. So I am going to see which ones I like. Well, I like them all. Yeah, not that one. I do quite like that one, but the lips aren't as bright as I thought they were going to be. Definitely that one. I do like the horny lips. But yeah, that's kind of what it's going to look like, only like there. I still need this frame in there though. So that frame needs to go back, because that stops this from falling forward. And that'll be like that. Or like that. I'll show you what they'll all be like. Obviously I've got to glue them down. And this one, did I do this one? So yeah, that's all I was thinking with these. Or you could get a bigger one and display all 5. Yeah, because I did make a little tiny lips, because I won't do 5 of something, so I did a little one. It's still in the curing machine, but don't go with this set. It's just a small lips thing, but in my head I was making 6 and not 5, so that worked for me. So I think I'm gonna do this one because it's definitely the one that I'd like in there. I mean, if I decide to do them all in one display, then I will. I mean, I can quite easily take this out and off. Stick it on there. Be cool. Alright, I've only got 3 of these frames, so yeah, another odd number. So not great for me. And then I've got to, this is all I do with this. Let's move that over there. Move this because I don't need that. Right, I get this and I literally just score it or cut it with my craft knife. Doesn't have to be perfect because it bends over, it's quite sticky. And I only peel a small bit like this. And I bend that right down. And then I make sure it's all level, and then I stick that bit down. And then I can peel it and know that it's going to be in the right place, like that. Pretty straightforward if you saw. And then I glue that on there. And then that goes over there like that when it's dry. So that is all I do. I will carry on doing that with the other one, and I will show you pictures at the end. So take care of yourself, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye.